Hi guys, please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to do some videos on the Bmw E46. We're going to do one today. We're just going to sort out the bonnet. So this is how the bonnet was closing. I've just treated it with a simple technique which I'm going to show you. So literally open up your bonnet, and what I've done is clean the springs with some WD-40 and a wire brush, just to make sure that you got the springiness working on the catches there. And I've also had to clean all around this area. So yeah, with these catches, if they're not coming across, you can just persuade it out a little bit with a screwdriver, get a brush in there, get some WD-40 in, and clean it all round on both sides. Unfortunately, after doing that, my bonnet now closes. But you can also check this area, because this is where the line cable comes through to them catches at the front, and then this is threaded all the way into the cab to where obviously you've got your lever. So you can also pop this open and have a look in there and make sure that's all in place properly, in case you've got any other tension problems. Fortunately I didn't need to do that, but my bonnet does now shut. So let's just double check. There we go, locked in place, nice and flush.